All are fine. Very good. Me also fine. Students, this is your maths class and I am your maths teacher, myself Vandana Pankaj, and I am your class teacher also. So, can we start our class? Very good. We can start. Students, today I am going to teach you revision sample paper for unit test. You know what is the date today? Today is 5 May 5 months 2021. Very good. This is the sample paper for unit test. Question number 1 is inverse. ये आपका सैंपल पेपर है और इस तरह से आपको सॉल्व करना है. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? इनवर्स 1. You know what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. Next number is 11. Spelling is 11. You know very well. Please tell me. E-L-E-V-E-N 11. Next number is 15. What is the spelling of 15? F-I-F-T-E-N 15. 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. 20. What is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. Question number 2 is missing numbers. 2 dash dash 24 dash 26 dash 28 29 30. You have to fill like this. Afterwards 22 will come, then after 23, 24, then after 26, 27, then after 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, last one is 30. If you will fill, you can draw the line, the missing numbers. Understood all of you? You can draw the line of the missing numbers. Question number 3 is circle the biggest and cross the smallest number. Here are given the some examples. 4, 3, 8, 6, 2, 1. Please tell me which number is the biggest. कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 8. Very good. And smallest number is 2. Sorry, smallest number is 1. We will cross like this. Next 2, 6, 1, 8, 9, 4. Which number is big? 9. You can draw the circle like this and cross the smallest number 1. Understood all of you? 4, 3, 6, 5, 2, 1. Biggest number is 6. Smallest number is 1. 4, 9, 5, 8, 6, 7. Biggest number is 9 and smallest number is 4. आपने ये सम पहले भी वीडियोस में किए हैं, सो आप अच्छी तरीके से ये सम कर सकते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 is what comes before. You can write the before numbers of these numbers. 6. You know what comes before 6? 5. Yes. Before 22 what will come? 21. Here 13. Before 13 what will come? 12. Before 12, before 9, what will come? 8. Very good. What comes after? After 8, what will come? 9. After 10, 11, 19, 20, 7, 8. Understood all of you? Hope you understood very well. How can you write the unit test? You know very well. Revision, sample paper for UT. First question was, second one missing number, third one circle the biggest and cross the smallest number. Fourth one is what comes before, then after, what comes after. Tomorrow we will continue the sample paper. So all the best all of you. Bye bye.